Advancement in technology is transforming the maritime sector. Today, the use of unmanned vehicles, both aerial and surface, have become increasingly prevalent in Singapore. And one company that's taking off is Skyport's drone services.
I am Daryl Woon, Flight Operations Manager of Skyports. Through the drone delivery services that we offer, we provide an on-demand solution that connects our customers out at sea to the shore in a safe, speedy and sustainable manner. We now offer high-value cargo deliveries, sample testing services, small item deliveries such as spare parts, and now expanding to telemedicine. The process is designed to elevate existing delivery operations and bring greater convenience to our partners. Something exciting that we can look forward to is the ability to fly bigger drones into the Singapore airspace.
Another unmanned vehicle that's making waves in Singapore is the Harbour Tug Maju 510.
I'm Aziz Merchant, Executive Vice President, Technology and New Product Development at Citrum Limited. In 2021, Maju 510 was retrofitted with remote control and autonomous navigation capability. She can be remotely controlled through joystick by an onshore captain from a shore command center to navigate from point A to point B in the port. One of the biggest challenges faced by the local maritime industry is a lack of manpower. The introduction of remote control and autonomous technology will shift the jobs from on board to onshore, as well as creating more value-added high-tech jobs, which could attract more young people to the industry.
Now this next underwater robot may be small in comparison to the tugboat, but it sure packs on a powerful engine.
I'm Julie Zhang, the Business Development Manager at BX Autonomous Systems. The A in A Ikan Bilis stands for autonomous. And like the Ikan Bilis, our vehicle is small and powerful and gets the job done. An example of what the A Ikan Bilis has been used for in Singapore is that we've worked with Sunseap, a floating solar farm, and they wanted to know about the conditions of everything underwater for their floating panels. There are jobs underwater like welding and repair work, which really requires the dexterity of divers. And I think that's where we can take the divers out of the risky work situations.